Share markets performed really well last week, especially on Thursday after the ECB announcement, and that momentum carried forward across to Friday's trading, despite there being a disappointing jobs report out of the US. The US was only able to produce 96,000 jobs for the month end August, which was well below the consensus estimate. Investors didn't react badly to the announcement, however. They actually did quite the opposite, and investors are now sensing that the jobs report is going to increase the odds, if not force the Federal Reserve to take further action. In other market news, Apple's share price was up around $682. That was its highest level since records began. Now, they are holding an event on Friday. They are expected to be unveiling the new iPhone 5 in San Francisco. Looking at markets now, and we can see that the American markets, they joined global rallies on Friday, and the Dow Jones was up only around 0.1%. However, it is worthwhile to note that the Dow Jones had its best performing week last week since 2007. And in currency markets, the New Zealand dollar rose against the greenback following that disappointing jobs report. The rain in the last few months has been more than many farmers can remember in the last 10 years. However, with rain now beginning to ease, the farmland is starting to dry, and it tends to be business as usual for most dairy farmers. With the calving season now coming to a close, we're now seeing their focus turn towards mating. With climatic conditions normalising, we've seen some really good grass growth, and for most operations, production is tracking well ahead of where it was last season. Now, those high production rates that we've seen so far are really due to the excellent cow condition resulting from last season. On the economic side, Fonterra announced a 25-cent reduction in its farm gate milk price, bringing that price to around $5.25. However, farmers remain optimistic that they'll be able to pick up that reduction in the price as the season progresses. All in all, it's business as usual.